So in this question, we want to find what is the value of this product. 3 over 2 times 4 over 3 times 5 over 4 times so on, times 2006 over 2005. So this kind of question is like, it's a very typical and very like commonly seen kind of question. But first, let's go over like how you would solve the problem, right? So you have 3 over 2 times 4 over 3 times 5 over 4. So continuing this pattern times 6 over 5 times 7 over 6 times ... all the way to like times what? 2005 over 2004 times 2006 over 2005. So want to find what is the value of this product. So the key idea is like, maybe the challenging part of this problem might be like, sometimes, oh, you look at 3 over 2, and that's like, you might think, okay, that's 1.5. 4 over 3 is like 1.333 repeating. 5 over 4 is like 1.25. And it might be like hard to like find the product if you look at it that way. But the idea is like, notice that you have a 3 here, and you have like a 3 here. So like, you can kind of like cancel these 3s out, right? Like these 3s like kind of cancel each other out. And you see this 4 kind of canceled to this 4, this 5 canceled to this 5, this 6 canceled to this 6. And the pattern continues. Like all of the terms in the middle, like they kind of cancel out. Similarly, this 2004 cancels out with this previous 2004. And this 2005 cancels out with this 2005. So after you cancel out a bunch of stuff in the product, you would only be left with 2006 from over here, and the divided by 2 from over here. So the answer would just be 2006 divided by 2, which is equal to 1003, which is the correct answer, which is choice C, and we would be done. So basically, like these kinds of problems, they're very like commonly appearing, and we sometimes refer to it by a special name. We call these like telescoping. So like in this case, we had like a product, right? A product of a bunch of fractions. And when we multiplied all these fractions together, a bunch of terms all canceled out. And this is what we call like a telescoping product. Sometimes you might see like a sum where like instead of multiplying, you do like addition, and a bunch of stuff cancels there. So then we would call it like a telescoping sum. So this is like one of the most like classic like telescoping problems. The key idea for these kinds of problems is like, maybe another reason why it might be hard is because like maybe it looks scary because like we have a bunch of terms, but like just after we notice that a bunch of the terms can just get canceled out, we find that the question is not as like bad.